Felicia.
Wow.
So we're playing
Rex.
The food.
Poop
Made these
I
when
made
you were-
these.
when you were.
Like 4.
Try find chairs. I think there's
Find-
chairs right here.
Yeah,
that might
looks
be
like
you.
me. Let's see.
Chairs.
That's me. Hey, that's me. That's me.
You and me are
That's
kind
me.
of the same. We just had to change hair.
Okay, so
My legs
today I'm going to be showing you guys all my friends' squishies. She has a box full. Wait, she has a box full of squishies. So I'm gonna show you guys all her squishies. There's some ugly slime. So I'm gonna show you guys all her squishies. So let's get started. First, let's do my favorite, Fortress. It is pretty ripped up. Does not smell, but is a good squishy. Next, we have a Santa one, but it looks pretty. And then a hamburger. No,
I'll tell
I'm just gonna watch.
okay.
I have.
Yeah, I might watch.
A cupcake?
I might not.
I'm reviewing her squishies.
Well, can I come?
And then,
Because I have nothing to do.
and then we have this one.
Sup, tap ears.
Yeah, I call them my tap ears. Pick a squishy and then we're gonna show them.
I like this one.
Okay, so mine's is the octopus one that I picked out to show you guys.
We should do guess the squishy.
Yeah, we're gonna do the guess the squishy challenge after we show you guys all of these.
So here's the ice cream. I picked it because I love ice cream.
It's
and
so good.
pink.
I like hot dogs, so I got this.
I love this one.
Okay, you show yours.
This one's like a. What did you say? Call this like a Hello Kitty-ish.
I would. Well, what would you
What's
guys
my-
call it?
It smells like what? Like
Here,
a
let me flip it
bunny.
over. What would you guys call it?
And I have shorts under this. So yeah.
Yeah, she has shorts under, so please, no hate.
Down.
Looks pretty. Wait, I have to do something.
Looking at
Okay.
everything, guys.
What? Oops. Wait, stop. Grace, stop.
Yeah. Okay.
You said.
Do you want to play Mario Kart?
Not right now.
Yeah. After this, we need you guys to help
Here,
us to
scoot
guess
over.
the squishy.
Scoot over. Scoot over. If you guys want to. And then I have a pineapple. Well, it's not mine, but. And then there's. Trying to have my phone in the perfect spot. Okay. Pineapple.
Then the one I have is like this mermaid
Pineapple.
kitty.
Mermaid kitty. Go
Slow
up,
rising. Like it's so
up,
slow.
up. Slow rising.
Here, you want to put it on the webcam thing?
Yes, give me the tripod.
Tripod. Wait, where is it? Found it.
Mermaid cat. Oh, smell it. It kind of smells good. Here's our tripod. I'm going to try. I bet
Well,
you.
I did. I only put the front part in, and then it standed.
Here, let me put my pop socket. I'm using my phone because I don't have my camera with me.
There, see it works.
Huh?
Is it how it's supposed to be a string? I'm a strings person. I'm a violin. It's kind of heavy after a little while. It's really light. I'm used to heavy instruments because mine is like
My friend has a
mother
cello.
trucker. Yeah, my friend, he's a boy. Not like a boyfriend, but he has like
There we go. Stop, stop, stop. No,
wait.
don't move anything. Okay, so please don't mind this white thing. But I finally got it on my tripod. Okay. Yeah, sorry, we're cussing. And then unicorn. And then puppy. Strawberry. I feel like these are going to be pretty easy. So let's do.
Ew.
What?
Ew.
So we're going to do the Guess My Squishy.
Slime, and now it's like, oh.
We're going to do Guess the Squishy challenge.
Smells good. Okay, can you guys help us do guess the squishy? Like,
Yeah,
maybe
you
all
are
the way?
going to give us a squishy and we have to try to guess what it is.
Okay, so. Well,
So
yeah,
let's go.
you guys have to close your eyes because
I know.
we're gonna show it.
Take
to
out a
you, okay?
squishy.
Close your eyes.
But, yeah, my eyes are closed, so I'm not going to cheat. If you see any of us cheat, comment down below. Put it in our hands. Don't open your eyes.
So we each get.
I know what it is. Can I go? Mine is a pineapple.
She didn't have one yet. Grace didn't have. I need to.
Mine is a pineapple. Did I get it right?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay, Grace, you have to guess.
This is the mermaid cat.
Yep.
I could tell
Okay.
because of the little like.
Tail and the, yeah. Okay,
so
now it's their turn to come.
Yeah, so let's switch.
God, you guys
We
are
didn't agree on this, you know that, right? We're
but-
trying to be
and-
the only one control.
Okay, go. I'll agree. I'll agree.
You guys are awesome.
It's Devin. You're watching this. Hi.
Okay, sit down,
I doubt
please.
that Devin knows.
I'm trying to feel it. Oh, this one.
Please sit down.
So we can do this.
Well, if you pick this one,
Emily's
we're
good at.
obviously gonna know.
Okay, please.
If you pick the French fry one, we're obviously
Close
gonna
your
know.
eyes.
Okay, I'm gonna give
Hold on.
Layla. I'm gonna give Layla one. Layla's gonna get. No. Layla's gonna get this one.
Here, that's what.
I know what mine is.
What?
It's the Santa. Yes.
Yes.
Emily, you got it right. Layla, what's yours?
The cheeseburger.
Yeah,
Yeah.
cheeseburger. She got it right.
Booger. Like you said.
You said
Booger.
Booger.
Cheese booger.
My booger. So
Pick my boogers out of my nose. Ew.
so we all have a point.
Watch me pick my nose.
So none of us are losing.
Should we go ask about the Wii?
Okay, you ready? You guys do it to me and Layla now.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, you have the mini strawberry.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
I'm scared.
I dropped popcorn.
And that's for Layla.
And.
That's easy.
Oh, yeah, that's for you.
So this is what I got. So I can't see if you see.
I got the strawberry.
I got the
Well,
Hello
it's
Kitty
the
thingy.
it's the Squishable strawberry.
Yep.
Yes,
You
I'm
both
like
got it right.
Okay,
Me and Emily.
you and
Ask
Emily.
about the Wii.
Hold on. Well, Layla will. Okay. Emily and Grace, you go. Sit down. Layla, get up.
How am I gonna eat my popcorn? Mom, here's the popcorn.
Oh, and I just stuck them.
Please don't drop my phone because it takes forever to put it on the tripod thing.
Yeah,
Okay,
it
Grace,
actually.
scoot over.
Okay, here I'll go. Wait, you get in here,
I have to
Emily.
be someone.
Yeah, I'm eating. Okay, I'm just getting you while I'm closing my eyes somehow.
Okay, kids ready?
Wait. Hold on. I have to pick out a squishy.
I'm giving Grace one.
Okay, good.
Grace, here's yours.
Oh, what the heck? Oh, what the heck?
And yes, guys, Emily's eyes are closed.
What is this? I've got the strawberry squishy, not the
What?
Squeezamals. I don't want to be nasty, but what is this? Like it feels like I got that one water thingy with the spinning wheel.
Yeah, I don't know why Layla gave it to you.
What the F is this? Like, where are you guys?
Oh. What is it?
I know what it is.
Five.
It feels. It actually.
Four.
It's a nasty word.
3, 2,
I don't know what
1.
it is.
It was an octopus.
You gotta be kidding me.
Okay.
I
Me
don't
and
know.
Emily go. So
wanna
Grace,
go
anymore.
Grace, get up. We're gonna do just me and Emily next, and then we're done.
Yeah.
And then we can end the video.
Here, scoot over.
I'm
more.
fine, but I want.
Okay. But don't grab other items. Just
grab squishies.
a squishy, because then we're gonna be guessing.
Come, close your eyes. Let me go over here so I can get it. So,
If you see any of us cheat, say in
Comment
the
down below.
comments.
I opened my eyes because I thought Grace was going over there. I didn't know what squishy they grabbed, so I'm not cheating.
here.
Ow!
And yours, too.
I got the unicorn.
Ow!
Oops. Here you go.
I already knew I had the unicorn. Are you okay, Church?
Yes.
Okay, good. Good.
Wait,
It's a strawberry.
wait, does it actually smell like
Is it the
strawberries?
strawberry?
Yes.
Now I know because you said, does it actually smell like strawberries? My favorite squishy out of all of them.
How
is
did
this
you
one.
know, though?
My
Yours-
favorite squishy out of all of them
Because I smelled
is
it.
this one.
That one. It's the best.
Or
favorite-
And then the next one is the
My
hamburger.
favorite is this one.
my next one is this
Well,
one
I'm
because it
still gonna
smells
try
like
I love
strawberries.
This one is so slow rising. So that's why I like it.
Guys,
But thank you guys for watching this
Wait,
video.
this is
Give
so
it a-
satisfying.
Give it a thumbs up.
Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down
got
below.
some cool
Hit the red subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you can
And
be
join
notified.
the slime fam.
And join the slime family. And hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time we post brand new videos just like this one. Peace.